everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my supernatural pan interrupted update for you. I tried to smush some words together there. Didn't work out so good. This is a project that was created by myself, and I started it with Amanda back in 2018, August 19th of 2018 to be exact, in which we were attempting to pan a product for every single episode that ever aired, all 15 seasons. When we started this, the show was still on air, but it is no longer. It ended at 15 seasons, which is kind of sad, but you know, we're kind of keeping it alive by doing this project. There have been a bunch of people that have joined in since we started it, and anyone is welcome to join in. You know, the list is going to be down below of everyone that has joined in that I'm aware has joined in. If you're doing this project or you want to do this project and you want to get put in that description box, let me know down in the comments and I will be happy to add you onto the list. So we opted to start with 6 episodes at a time. Once you finish, meet a goal, whatever your choice is for that product, once you you know, reach that goal, you roll it out, then you roll in the very next episode in line. I am on season 4, and we started this in 2018. I'm on season 4, and I still have one from season 3, but you know, I am pretty well through the majority of season 4 with that one hanging on from season 3. We're going to work on that one. We're already working on it, but we're going to work on it some more. And I do actually have 2 empties for you. So I will be rolling in 2 new products for 2 new episodes. So let's get into the bane of my existence in this project, which is kind of sad because it is a lovely product, but I just don't take the time that I should take for myself. I did actually use it last night, to be exact. It was not the only time I used it prior to this update, but this is the Exuviance Age Reverse Hand Rejuvenator Peel for Time is on my side. I do not know what is going on with my voice lately. I think it's allergies because everything's in bloom and it's starting to be warm here. Gives me that raspy, Phoebe, smelly cat kind of thing going on. If you watch Friends, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is the peel. This is the rejuvenating hand cream. I'll show you the hand cream first. I went from the red to, I think it's blue that I have on there. So a little bit of progress there. And my ultimate goal is to get to this red line. We're so close. We're at the black line here. And I'm pretty darn certain it is going to be done by the next update. I feel like if I use it 2 more times, I will be at that goal. I need to make sure that I do it. Even if I do it like the night before I film and then the day of I film. I just need to get 2 more uses, I'm pretty sure, and then I'm going to have that goal met. And I can finally roll it out because, yeah, I just don't have the time. I just don't. I should, but I just don't find the time for myself. It's too crazy right now. All right, for After School Special into season 4, there was a bully spirit on the school bus in a high school that Sam and Dean had gone to. And so I put in the Bobbi Brown, what is this one officially called? The Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in Free Spirit. I am here. It was really hard to see because this is a oil infused gloss. So while it feels lovely like a lip oil, it does have more pigmentation than a lip oil. So it does cling to the sides a little bit. So yeah, I had to put it up to a light so I could actually see through it. And it was like really full up to here, because if you look at this, it was like full up into the neck when I first started it. Basically filled to the very bottom of the stopper in that one. So I am making progress on it. It is in my current makeup basket, so it is getting some usage and I'm enjoying it. It's really a nice color, and I probably should have put some on today. I don't know why I don't have any on, but it's really nice. It feels so lovely on the lips. I kind of feel weird putting it on camera. I don't do my makeup on camera, but it feels good and it's such a pretty color. All right, the next one is for Death Takes a Holiday. So I put in a holiday themed product. This is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. I can feel my voice is going to go again. This was 228 grams last update. It is at 186 grams, so I am using it. We're almost out of body cream season here. We've had a few cool days here or there, and I tend to, on the cooler days, like, you know, a little bit heavier, like moisturizer, but we're getting into lotion season, so we'll just have to see if I can get that done. And I have multiple body creams, body butters, and lotion bars, which are heavy in projects right now. Those might end up on the back burner. It might happen. We'll have to wait and see. All right, my next one on the head of a pin, I actually have the empty for that one. I chose a product for my head, my hair, whatever. Soapbox Argan Oil Conditioner, the Control and Soften. This one right here, she done. I did enjoy this, but and I like Soapbox products because they're made in the USA. They're cruelty-free. I'm pretty sure they're vegan. Don't quote me on the vegan thing, but I do know that they are cruelty-free and made in the USA, which I like. They're easy to find because Sally's carries it. I know other places carry it, but I got mine at Sally's, and I think this one, yes, this one is made in the USA. So it definitely ticks a lot of boxes for me. Curly Girl approved, all that good stuff. But this particular one is not enough for my hair type. I think this is much better suited to someone with less hair, not like super dry hair like I have. I have so many moisturizing products in my hair right now, otherwise it would be like out to here. But I think if you have thinner, finer hair, if you have oily hair, this is going to be a good daily conditioner for you. It's just not quite enough for my hair. It doesn't give me enough slip, but you know, it is a decent conditioner. All right, moving on to the next one. It's A Terrible Life. In that episode, employees get stressed out and they self-harm, if you know what I'm saying, because the YouTube algorithm and checking, they don't like certain words said, so I try not to say those words. So I chose this Prime Natural Stress Relief Blend Essential Oil, and I am making progress. Not a ton this past month because I've been working on other oils, but from here to here. So we are continuing to make progress, and I think if I keep just working on it slowly, it's going to be done probably in 4 to 5 months, I think. That's my prediction, so I'm not super worried about that one. It smells lovely. If anyone likes lemongrass, I don't know what the other notes are, but it's definitely got some lemongrass in it. It's really nice. All right, the last episode that I'm going to talk about is my second rollout, empty. It's not really an empty, it was a usage. The monster at the end of this book. I chose the Bare Minerals Mineralist palette in Sunlit because it looks like a book. And it even has like the, you know, like the bookmark kind of elastic. My goal was to use it 5 times. I used the matte cream 5 times. And because I'm working on very similar colors in other palettes right now, so, you know, the matte cream really wasn't a big conflict. So that's what I did. I used it 5 times, so now that one is rolling out. So rolling out the conditioner, rolling out the palette from Bare Minerals. So I need to pick 2 products for the next 2 episodes. The first one is Jump the Shark. I am well versed in the actual episode. I try not to give you guys too many spoilers, so I'm not going to actually discuss the episode because with this one I specifically chose the title to pick my product because a lot of the episodes, it is literally, the whole show is about the battle of good versus evil and all of the trials and tribulations that go with that. Some of them are very dark and heavy. Some of them are fun and campy, but ultimately that is what the whole entire show is about. So there's only so many beauty products that you can link to that. So opted to go with the actual title, Jump the Shark, this time. So I am bringing in for Jump the Shark the Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy Longwear Nail Enamel in Card Shark. Jump the Shark, Card Shark. It was the only link that I could really come up with. It wasn't like dark and heavy. So it's a pretty pink color. This is the top coat. Let me turn it the right way. Yeah, that's the diamond top coat, and this is the actual color. It has the base coat built into it, and I have yet to use this. I want to say I got this through Influencer 5 or 6 years ago, and I haven't used it. So it's time. It is time for me to use it. I'm usually not a baby pink kind of girl, but you know, we can do this for the sake of painting. We can do this. So 3 uses on this. And if you know me in nail polish, I like to change frequently. So 3 uses, even if I rotate through everything, I might only use it once by the next update. It could take me 3 months to get it done. We'll see. We'll see what I feel like. And maybe accent nails. We're going to try and get our 3 uses on that. All right, and the next episode that I will be rolling in for is the Rapture. This one I will discuss a little bit about the episode, but not a whole lot. In this particular episode, Castiel is called back to heaven, and the body that he inhabits, Jimmy, when he is on Earth, so to speak, in a human form, is trying to like regain his life, and you know, because it's hard when you have an angel inside of you to live your normal life, because you know it just doesn't work out that way. But because of it being called the Rapture, and it is primarily about Castiel going back to heaven, being called back to heaven, I went from that aspect. So I am bringing in a soap, because I'm bringing in a lot of them this year because I want some used up. This is in the scent Heavenly Hazelnut. So the reference to heaven in Heavenly Hazelnut. I'm sure this is not going to take super long to get done, but I am working on quite a few of them. So if it's not done this month, it'll get done next month. We'll figure it out, but it's a way that I can roll something in without putting too much of the stressful burden on all of my project panning, so that I don't have to use my stress blend too much. All right, I'm going to wrap this up because I feel like I'm getting a little bit silly. The hubs is going to be home from work very soon, and I got to figure out dinner because, see, there's daylight going on outside. It's stormy and gross, but there is daylight going on out there. All right, definitely check out everyone else that has joined in. They're going to be listed down below. If you want to join in, by all means, we would love to have you on this panning journey. If you're already joined in and I don't have you in my description box, let me know. I want to get you put in there and get you started so other people can find you. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.